Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, the first method is that going to your start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, click on troubleshoot, go to your other troubleshooters, click on Windows Update Run. After I close it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser and any search engine and type out how to reset Windows Update component in Windows. The first link is that answer.microsoft.com. So click on it. Scroll down, copy the text from website, right click, copy, in the search box type a notepad, open a notepad, paste it, click on save as, save any location like desktop, type any name with .bat, .bat. So make sure that type any name with .bat. Click on save button and close it. Now here it is. Right click, run as administrator. After completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type out Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see that in my cases my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.